What's going on, you guys? It's Nacho with a brand new video. It is currently 6 in the morning. I'm gonna go ahead and slurp this up, and I think we're ready for a ride. So let's go. It is a beautiful day out today. We already got the sun shining on us. We got a shitload of traffic, nowhere to go really, so we're just gonna go wherever the wind takes us. I really have no clue where I'm headed right now. I'm probably just gonna ride for about 20-30 minutes.
What do you mean by that?
Then pull over somewhere so we could talk about some very important things that are going to be happening with the R9. Along with that, I'm also going to be answering one of the most frequently asked questions on my bike, which is what is done to it? What mods have I done? What mods will I be expecting in the future? I'm going to be covering all that in today's video, so make sure you guys stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys when I'm at the location. Peace. Alright y'all, so we just parked up right next to this beautiful lake. The sun is just starting to go up, but it's a nice day out today. Anyways, I do want to talk about some of the changes that are going to be happening with the R9. First things first, this beautiful Yoshi exhaust system will no longer be with us in a couple weeks. I've been given the opportunity to work with an amazing company that just finished up their production on the Yamaha R9 full system exhaust. As much as I hate to see the beautiful Yoshi exhaust system go, I do want to make a lot more content with the R9, and this gives me the perfect opportunity to do so. With that being said, that means I have to get my bike reflashed once again. That means I have to go a whole week without my bike, but I am going to go with the best tuner, which is Two-Wheel Dynaworks. I don't even have to speak on the work speaks for itself. For those who know Two-Wheel Dynaworks, you already know how reliable and efficient they are with their job. As soon as they receive your ECU in the mail, they send it back the exact same day, which is super clutch, especially for those, including me, who can't go that long without their bike. And for those wondering if you should or shouldn't flash your bike, I promise you it is 1000% worth it. Just recently I posted a video on Instagram with my flashed R9 versus my boy's bone stock R9, and the difference between the two bikes is fucking crazy. During that race, it really felt like it was a leader bike versus a 600. I'm gonna play two separate videos to show you guys the difference between second gear and third gear pulls, with it being flashed and stock. The first video you guys about to see is gonna be a second gear pull. I believe it was a 40 or 50 roll. And yes, I am completely aware that the stock R9 has a pretty bad dead spot in second gear. So we ended up running the race again in third gear because the dead spot isn't as bad as second, but these were the results that we got. That was a lot closer than the second gear pull, but nonetheless, he still got completely. So I hope that answers most of you guys' questions asking if you should or shouldn't flash your bike. The fuck? Huh. Feel free to send me a DM on Instagram or comment down below under this video if you guys have any questions in regards to your R9. I'll be happy to help you guys out, so don't hesitate to reach out to me. Bro, what the hell? Next thing I want to talk about is pretty much a question to you guys. Would you guys be interested in seeing an install for the DNA Stage 2 air filter? If so, please let me know in the comments down below. I want to hear you guys' thoughts on it before I pull the trigger. I thought about doing it because I'm already going to be ripping the bike apart as it is. I'm taking out the ECU, installing the new exhaust, so I might as well just throw in that extra mod and get it flash right for a little better performance, but I'm still 50-50 on it. I apologize for any noise you guys might hear in the back. We got my boy over here mowing the lawn. No issue at all, he's just doing his job. And then we got like a plane coming over my head every minute. Anyways, let me know what you guys think about the DNA Stage 2 air filter. I might as well just do that extra mod, get it flashed properly, and in return we get some better performance. Plus it'll give me more content to post for you guys, so let me know in the comments down below your guys' thoughts. But anyways, other than that, I want to talk about what I currently have done to the bike. Obviously we already covered the exhaust and the flash. The exhaust that I got on here is the AT2 Yoshi full system exhaust. This thing is crazy as it is, and I hate to see it go. But I do gotta try some other exhaust systems. I want to at least do one by this year, which I'm already doing, and then I want 2 more by next year, so we'll see how that goes. Bro, there ain't no way. Moving over to the front end of the bike, of course we got the GPR stabilizer. Please get a stabilizer as soon as possible. It doesn't even matter what brand you guys go with. As long as you guys get one, that's all that matters. You can never predict how your ride is going to go, so please pick one up before it's too late. Last thing I want to see is a bike down on the highway, and that's easily preventable if you get yourself a stabilizer. Next thing we got done to the bike are these beautiful taillights in the back. They are from JL Designs. Let me go ahead and show you guys real quick. There they are. Another thing I want to mention, all the mods I'm covering, I pretty much have every single one of them featured in the YouTube video. So for that stabilizer, I have an install for that. I got an install for this, and any future modification I'm also going to be posting on my channel, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Oh, he's coming my way. Alright guys, so I had to move over so my bike doesn't get covered in grass. But anyways, we left off on the taillight. These taillights were honestly super easy to install. It's literally plug and play, and it's fully adjustable, so I highly recommend to pick one of these up. Next mod I did was a brake light modulator from TST. It goes right under the rear seat, and it literally takes less than 2 minutes to install. It's all plug and play, and what it essentially does is whenever you hit your brakes, the brake light will basically flash. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the rear brake. I don't know if you guys can see that too well, but it's flashing pretty fast. That modulator is completely adjustable to your liking. You can change the mode and the speed of the flashes. I have a full dedicated YouTube video showing how to install and program it, so make sure you guys check that out if you haven't already. While we're on the topic of TST, I do want to mention we got a lot of things coming in. We're going to change out these pretty ugly levers to some all black shorty levers. We're also going to be getting a quicker throttle tube along with the taillight closeout, I believe it's called, and it will basically cover the hole that I have here. When I took the rear fender out, I didn't get an eliminator kit, so that left behind 2 pretty ugly holes. I went ahead and just covered it up with electrical tape, which gets the job done as of now, but I definitely need to change that out soon. After all that, we did 2 last things, which is the smoked windscreen along with the tank grips. And after all that, this is how my R9 is currently sitting. It's still got a really long way to go, but make sure you guys subscribe and follow my socials so you guys can stay posted on all my latest mods. I'm gonna head out before I get kicked out because I think it's private property. Make sure you guys stay tuned for all my future videos. I'm gonna try to make a commitment to posting at least 1 time a week. Past couple weeks I've been very busy, but I will make that promise to you guys. I want to be a lot more consistent on my socials, so I promise I'll post at least once a week on my YouTube channel. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.